And that goes on. We have to move through the world and do our duties. But this is the point I'm making. No matter what we're doing, we have to search out for the holy name. Find him. Where is he? Am I with him? Am I separated from him? Or am I with him? Am I remembering him? So this point I was mentioning to someone on the telephone. Spontaneously this came up, and then afterwards I wrote it down in my notebook. It was from Bombay, Sukapriya Das. He was appreciating it. Especially like the analogy of heartbeat. It's a very nice analogy. Analogy means comparison. As our heart is always going on, but we're not aware of it. It's silently working. So we should always be connected, as our heart is always beating and connecting us with life in this body. So we should always be connected with Krishna's name and have life in our spiritual body. The name is a heartbeat for the spiritual body. Just as the heart is beating life into the material body, the holy name is beating life into the spiritual body. Soul beat. Soul beat. Boom 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 boom. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Lub-dub, lub-dub. So the heart is chanting some crazy mantra, lub-dub. Lub-dub. Maybe after some time it chants Radha, Radha, lub-dub, lub-dub. Usually they say it's lub-dub, lub-dub, lub-dub. But we have to search. It's always been in the background. We're driving and then there's chanting in our mind. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. We're walking, we're cooking. It's nice. This is a symptom of advancement in Krishna consciousness. That we lament the separation from our Lord. Vilap. There's a sense of vilap when we're separated. Seeing everything in connection with Krishna and remembering Krishna from moment to moment. But the easiest way to do all of that is to keep connection with the holy name. As the heart is always beating and maintaining our life, so the name should always be going on. It's a yoga. Yoga means the art of connecting with God. This is yoga. Yoga means union, connection. The art of connecting with God. So it goes by vibration. Mind vibrating, heart vibrating, nam vibrating.